Hello friends, welcome to Narentravelhub. This video has been recorded at Bandaranaike International Airport, Colombo, Iceland. Air flight number F51248 is arriving from Ulaanbaatar at 5:02 p.m. on 21st of June. Notably, this is a National Geographic Special Livery aircraft. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL315 is arriving from Kuala Lumpur at 5:06 p.m. on 21st of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL128 is arriving from Chennai at 5:10 p.m. on 21st of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL190 is arriving from Dhaka at 5:16 p.m. on 21st of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL303 is arriving from Singapore at 5:18 p.m. on 21st of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL116 is arriving from Malé at 5:27 p.m. on 21st of June. This Qatar Airways flight number QR654 is arriving from Malé at 5:31 p.m. on 21st of June. Vistara flight number UK132 is departing to Mumbai at 1:12 p.m. on 24th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL503 is departing to London at 1:29 p.m. on 24th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL115 is departing to Malé at 1:42 p.m. on 24th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL139 is departing to Madurai at 1:46 p.m. on 24th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL403 is arriving from Bangkok at 10:23 a.m. on 25th of June. This Flydubai flight number FZ1025 is arriving from Malé at 10:26 a.m. on 25th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL132 is arriving from Tiruchirappalli at 10:31 a.m. on 25th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL162 is arriving from Thiruvananthapuram at 10:36 a.m. on 25th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL166 is arriving from Cochin at 11:06 a.m. on 25th of June. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL122 is arriving from Chennai at 11:26 a.m. on 25th of June. Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL190 is arriving from Dhaka at 3:21 p.m. on 2nd of July. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL405 is arriving from Bangkok at 3:39 p.m. on 2nd of July. This Qatar Airways flight number QR654 is arriving from Doha at 4:11 p.m. on 2nd of July. The Sri Lankan Airlines flight number UL140 is arriving from Madurai at 4:34 p.m. on 2nd of July. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos in aviation, travel and food. And don't forget to leave your valuable feedback which will help me to grow my channel. Until then, see you.